Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to continue your fourth lesson, our energy resources. So all of you open your textbooks, open lesson 4, page number 245, our energy resources. In our previous class, you have learned types of natural resources. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. See, renewable resources. Renewable energy is generated using the power of natural resources like sunlight, water, wind and biomass. So, this renewable energy can be generated using the power of natural resources. What are the natural resources, children? Sunlight, water, wind, biomass. All these are natural resources, and these renewable resources can be generated through these natural resources. Solar energy is the energy that comes from the sun. We get solar energy from the sun. It is harnessed. Harnessed means what, children? Controlled and made use of to produce energy. So, it is harnessed using solar panels. It is used in appliances like heaters and cookers. We use this solar energy in some appliances like heaters and cookers. Next one, wind is also used to generate electricity using windmills. These are the windmills, children. So, wind is helpful for us to generate electricity by using these windmills. Next one, river water and tides are used for generating electricity. So, river water and tides, we can find tides on the waters. So, these river water and tides are also useful to generate electricity. Next, biomass energy is derived from organic material that comes from plants and animals. So, this biomass energy comes from organic materials like plants and animals. For example, agricultural waste like cow dung. So, like cow dung, by using cow dung also we can generate biomass energy. Biomass is used for heating and cooking, especially in rural areas. The people use biomass for heating and cooking purpose. Next, non-renewable resources. Mineral fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas are some non-renewable energy resources. So, coal, petroleum, natural gas, all these are non-renewable resources. Coal is the most important mineral used for generating heat and electricity. Coal is used to generate heat and electricity. This is the important mineral that people use. Running steam engines and machines in factories. And this coal is also used to run steam engines and machines in the factories. Next, petroleum is mainly used to produce petrol, diesel and other products. So, we use petroleum to produce petrol, diesel and some other products. Petrol and diesel are used as fuel to run vehicles on land, air and water. So, petrol is used to run vehicles on land. On land, we use vehicles like two-wheelers and four-wheelers, right, and lorries and all these. And on air, we use aeroplanes. So, to run aeroplanes, and on water we use ships, boats and all these. So they use petrol and diesel to run vehicles. Kerosene and liquefied petroleum gas are used in cooking. We use liquefied petroleum gas and kerosene for cooking purpose. Natural gas is used as fuel in many vehicles. So in many vehicles we can use natural gas in place of fuel. See this value tip, children. Electronics use energy when they are plugged in, even if they are switched off. Keep the devices unplugged when not in use. This will save energy. Okay. Now conservation of resources. How to conserve these resources? Let us see. We should not waste our resources and use them wisely. We have to use all these renewable and non-renewable resources, and we do not waste them. We have to use them in a proper manner. Overuse and wastage of non-renewable resources leads to their depletion. What is meant by depletion, children? Great reduction. So if we overuse or if we waste the non-renewable resources, what are non-renewable resources? Coal, petroleum, all these, right? They leads to reduction. The following steps should be undertaken to conserve our resources. So in order to conserve our resources, these are the steps to be taken by the people. What do you mean by conserve, children? Conserve means to keep something safe. Okay. See, what are those? We should plant more trees. So planting more trees is more essential. We should not pollute our natural resources. So we should not pollute our natural resources like light, sun, wind, all these, water. Okay. We should reduce our dependence on non-renewable resources and develop ways to use renewable resources better. So we should decrease using non-renewable resources, and we have to use a better option for these resources. So these are the conservation of resources. So this is all about your fourth chapter or energy resources. Once go through the today's video, children. If you have any doubts, you can reach me. Okay. Bye, children. Thank you.